Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all of you are doing well. It's time to put your aprons on because we're about to make the best meal of the year. Welcome to Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2024. Come join me in my southern kitchen as I share and prepare some down-home southern side dishes and desserts that your guests are going to love and enjoy. For your Thanksgiving dinner, the kitchen is going to smell amazing. So grab your seasonings, your pots, and turn on your stove, sugar, because we're about to cook and bake some Thanksgiving magic in my southern kitchen. Let the holiday cooking and baking begin. I see you soon, my friends. Much love.